What if you could turn a DIY robot into your very own RC robot car? Not just a robot toy, but a real robotics kit that you build, code, and control yourself. With the RC Robot Build Kit from IEM Robotics, you get everything you need: robot chassis, high-performance robot motors, controller module, and an Arduino robot setup. It's perfect for beginners exploring robotics engineering and smart robotics. Start by assembling the robot chassis. Attach the robot motors and wheels. Connect the circuit to your Arduino board and upload the code. In just a short time, your DIY robot transforms into a fully functional remote control robot. This isn't just a remote control robot toy, it's hands-on learning. You will explore coding kits concepts, robotics, and automation, and real-world robot design principles. It's one of the best STEM robot experiences for students curious about robot technology. Control your robot car with precision. Move forward, backward, left, right, just like a pro RC robot. Try obstacle challenges and create your own robotics projects at home. Whether you are looking for STEM kits for kids, brainy toys, or a Make a Robot Kit experience, this robotics kit is your gateway to robotics automation and innovation. Visit IEM Robotics today and start building your own remote control robot car. Build it, code it, drive it,